My favorite magazine has come in. I don't know how to pronounce it. Milieu. My very favorite for European design inspiration. Last time I shared my thoughts as I was looking through this magazine. I was on an airplane and you guys really liked hearing what was jumping out to me for inspiration, so I thought we would do that again. First, I have to tell you a story. I was recently in a doctor's office. My daughter was getting her wisdom teeth removed, and so I was sitting in the waiting room. Oh my gosh, you guys. I think it was a Ballard Designs catalog. I had something like that, a magazine. It wasn't this one. And I brought it with me because I knew I would have a moment to sit and look through it. And I'm looking through it for about 20 minutes. And as I see an idea for, you know, for the blog or for a design retreat we're gonna do or something, I am tearing it out. And I'm the only one in the waiting room. I mean, I guess it was kind of loud, but so I'm tearing out. I bet I tore out maybe 10 pages. And after like 20 minutes, the receptionist looks at me and she makes some comment about like, coming back in again, and then she goes, oh, and by the way, you can just keep that magazine. She literally thought I was sitting there tearing up the doctor's office's magazines. You know, it just goes to show, like, you may think you understand what's going on, or you may think that what you're doing is being received well or something. It's just like, it almost feels like you just can't communicate enough with people. I just had no idea she was gonna think that. We thought it was so funny, and I said, oh, no, this is my magazine. I would never tear up your magazine. I might take a picture with my phone or something, but I would never tear out pages. Oh my goodness. I don't know if she likes me very much, but anyway, I thought it was, now I think it's really funny. Okay, so I've looked through it once real quick, and now I want to share with you some of my thoughts. I get this magazine every quarter, you know, for a season, which is just about right. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see a Christmas one. This is beautiful. I have a similar lantern in my hallway, and I'm thinking of painting it green now that I see that. And then, oh, that fabric, so heavy, and I just love how it's kind of rumpled looking. I forget why I marked this one. I think it was the green lantern. Okay, never mind. So let's keep going. I'm always looking for architects that I really like. My favorite one is Gil Schaefer, but this one I'm interested in looking into. I just really am drawn to that pencil sketch design. Eventually, I would love to have a stone cottage, just not something too big, but just like retirement dreams. Okay, this picture here gave me an inspiration for the table in my fireside room. I really love bullion, and I wanted to use it on my couch or an armchair or something, but I don't have the right piece. You really need to have a piece that is low to the ground, and then you just add the trim and that finishes it off. But I'm going to satisfy this idea of mine and do bullion on a tablecloth on the little bistro table I have. And then look at that. Really getting fascinated with coral. And I have some coral that I bought in Brimfield, at the Brimfield show. I have this idea that I could DIY some coral, and I will keep you guys updated on that. Just the navy just so spoke to me with all that I'm doing in my living room. And then I realize from this picture that I'm going to need to figure out how to get this look on my windows. Vinyl windows. I haven't told my husband that I would like blue vinyl windows now. And he's not gonna want me to paint them. I don't want to paint them either. Oh, look at those. Actually, that's not even why I saved this picture. It's this bouquet of blackberries. I'm thinking of doing herringbone for my sidewalk. Have you guys done that? Have you done herringbone for outdoors? We're redoing our porches soon. For our bespoke retreat that's going on this fall, one of our workshops, I really want to do this. And I might be crazy because I think shipping could be a little bit of a hassle, but I really, really want to make pleated lampshades. And I've made one already that I shared with you guys. But this is another one. This is a more, I think it's called shirred. That would be a lot easier to do in our retreat. So maybe we'll do that. Oh, if you need a custom sink vanity, like a dresser like I have, this is who I recommend. This is J Tribble. Fantastic. Okay, this is my inspiration for our photo booth at our bespoke retreat. Might be seeing that come to real life at the Mayhurst Estate. I really loved this combination. You know, I'm just always looking for furniture ideas for what color is the frame of the chair, and what kind of fabric are we using, what kind of piping, what kind of trim. So it's this little nail head. Just really love that combination. I'm going to save this as an idea when I need to redo a chair. I really have my antennae up for gardens, just their layouts and their colors, because we are talking about simplifying and redesigning our current garden area. I love this color of green. I am 99% sure this is the green that I want to use in my kitchen. So I've got to get some more samples in for that. And then that is a wall color. Oh, I feel like it's coming through a little brown on camera. But I love, it's sort of a plum color. And I love it next to Carrara marble and that, ooh, look at that beautiful brass metal, sweet little flowers. So I may do that color in a bathroom makeover. If not, I'm going to use this in my fall decor. So many ideas. And then this, oh, I'm a sucker for nurseries. So sweet. I think this might have been a closet. Look at that. They added a beam. I'm just guessing. I mean, I feel like you could do this where you open up a closet, add shelving on the side, put a mattress in there. You might have to do a custom mattress. I actually think this is a crib size mattress, because I have put a crib in a closet like this before, but I love that they wallpapered it in the back. I love that they added the beam. So cute. That fabric. That's actually, you can't see it, but that fabric is behind chicken wire. It'd be really easy to DIY. And this is one of my favorite sources for dog beds. Neely's Nest. Be still my heart. Ooh, another architect to check out. Deemed America's greatest living architect at one time. Okay, I'm gonna check that out. All right, I've gone through all of my pots for that Lily of the Valley idea. And I guess I got rid of a lot of them. I didn't feel like I had a lot of options, but I'll show you what I did choose. Okay, so I ended up pulling one of my old baskets. I believe I got this from Wayfair. It came in a set of 3, and there's baskets are in different sizes. But I am a sucker for round handled baskets to use as planners. And these, I believe, were intended as planners because they actually do have plastic in them that are, you can see they're just stitched in there. You could so DIY this. I think this will be lovely, filled with Lily of the Valley, and I probably will put this in my living room. And then that brings me to this piece I found. It was $5. I got it at the thrift store, $5. And you know, it was round with handles. And so I thought, let's try this. I haven't bit the bullet and actually done anything with it because the thought of trying to get this paint off has been stumping me. I'm like, I don't want to sand this. I could maybe blast it if I had a sand blaster or something. I don't want to use citrus strip on it. And then it hit me. I know what to do. I think instead of trying to remove the blue paint, I should just go forward and paint over it and do sort of my faux wood technique. I mean, I'll have to sand down some of these little rough spots, but oh my gosh, that is so much easier. I'm so glad I figured out what to do. And that is a design tip. If you can't beat something that is overwhelming you, then you join them. Meaning if you can't change it easily, then try flooring it, right? And going forward using the whatever is already there and making it work that way. So I'll show you my chandelier that I painted to look like wood. That was brass and people screamed bloody murder when I did it, but I didn't like the brass. And so it was important to me to love it. And I used a 4-step process, this is a few years ago, and I made it look like wood, and I really love it. I really love it now. I'm gonna use that technique and I could have this basket, I mean, transformed in an hour. The last thing I wanna share with you are these beautiful champagne glasses that I just got. I found them at IKEA and have thought about them a lot since that visit. I just ordered my first set of them, and here's my thought. I think they're called coupe glasses. I'm not sure. You guys tell me in the comments below. We have a lot of pronunciation questions today. I love event planning and I love meeting fellow creatives and women in the design industry, and just so many of you that have supported me over the years and helped me grow these platforms. One of the new things we're doing with She Holds Dearly is we're starting to do live events. And we've done 2 smaller ones that were kind of a learning experience. And now we're doing a larger one with 45 attendees in Virginia this fall at this absolutely gorgeous mansion. Oh, I cannot wait to see it. And we have booked it for 4 days, the whole 37 acres, the whole house. And the house is actually already filled up, but we still have some tickets left. So if you want to attend, I'll put the link in the description below. It's called Bespoke. And so there's gonna be classes and workshops and amazing food. And anyway, I'm just like, oh, like all of my dreams for a design retreat are coming together for this event. But these champagne glasses are gonna be for another event that we're doing. I think we'll take 30 women, and it's going to be for women who wanna start creative businesses. That's like the vision for it. So my thought is that, you know, we could do, these would be good for mimosas, or, you know, we'll do a welcome reception, and these would be perfect for that. And then maybe another night we have sorbet in them, and, you know, use them for desserts. But anyways, I just feel like investing in a bunch of these glasses is going to be perfect for the direction we're going with the business. So if you're interested in finding them, there's the name right there. Such a pretty glass, and fairly inexpensive. You know, IKEA has higher priced things, but I felt like this was a good price. I think they were $5 each. The next video will be, I want to share with you all of the thoughts that I've had for the living room. Some orders have come in. I want some help like narrowing down different pieces. I think I have a solution for what we're going to do on the window seat with the dogs. So I'm excited to share with you all that's been going on with that.